Hey guys, today we are doing one of the chemistry sets for the Simpsons on.
A chemistry experiment from the National Geographic Mega Science Series Amazing Reactions Chemistry Set. Okay, so.
Make water droplets dance.
All right. Okay, so we have our clean metal saucepan that is on the stove. It said to get it very hot, so we have been warming this up so that you didn't have to wait for that. And now it says to get that pipette and put some water in that. Okay, so using that straw or pipette, we're going to get some water in there. Oh, we have water in it. And we're going to, hold on, be careful, it's hot.
I know,
It says using that, you're supposed to drip water in the pan from at least 6 inches above. Can you even do that? And watch the water dance. Whoa. Let's see if, I don't know if I...
What's dancing?
Careful. Not too much at one time.
Dancing water.
Be careful. Not too close to it.
Well, it's gonna start dripping. Oh, look at that. It's just clumping it together. That sounds so weird. Oh my,
Okay, not too much. Oh, that is so awesome. Okay, so now let's discuss let me turn that off so that it's not on.
It's boiling. That's boiling
so
hot water. The GoPro's so close to it.
All right, be careful. Oh, that looks like fun. All right, oops. Let me get into the instruction book and find out what page we were on. I got distracted by that. No, man, what page were we on?
Oh,
Ah.
oh, did you hear that?
Yes, I hear. Be careful, please.
That's boiling. It's just...
Okay, let me explain what happened. The science behind this. So the first bits of water hitting the pan boil instantly and create a layer of steam beneath the rest of the drop of water. That thin layer insulates the droplets from the heat of the pan so they do not heat up and turn to steam.
That is steaming hot.
And it insulates the pan from the cold water so it does not cool down. The strong surface tension that holds water droplets together continues to act on the droplets as if they were not even in a hot pan. In fact,
the water is evaporating.
Right. The surface tension is strong enough to pull tiny droplets together into a larger drops like we saw, like way over here. Be careful. So.
Oh, that's steaming.
That is so awesome. It's still doing it. We turned the heat off though. Okay, but of course you can't do that without adult supervision.
That's
because that is extremely hot.
I'm gonna get some.
Okay, a little bit more. And then we're done. All right, you're adding a little bit too much. That's more like just steaming it up. I guess you can still see them dance a little bit.
Look, this is kind of getting warm.
I hope the camera could see that.
Woo!
Whoa. Wow.
More water?
Easy. Not too close. Don't want to get too close to it.
Look at that.
Yes.
Can I do it from here? Whoop.
I don't want to get splashed.
With hot water?
Yes, that would hurt. Now I'm just seeing more steam than anything else. Steam and boiling water.
It's like shattering into glass looking things. Look at, look at that. Did you hear that? It sounds like glass hitting.
I think it would be better with this other light. Let's do this. Hold on.
Woo!
There. We needed that light. Let's check it out now. Let's do some with that. We need that light. Whoa. That would have been so much better to have the whole time. not dancing so much anymore. It's just splatting and steaming immediately.
Oh my gosh, that burnt my hand.
Be careful.
From here. The steam. The hot water. And we have some Orbeez. Here.
Over there. Okay.
Oh!
All right. I think we're
We
good
still
now.
have a 10.
I don't know how well they were able to see it before I turned that light on. I wish I had done that sooner. All right. So that is that experiment.
I'm still doing it because I want to.
Okay. They have seen that, and it's, like I said, it's just getting steamy at this point.
I want all the water gone. Now the pan's
It's just
cooling
boiling,
off
right?
too
It's
much.
cooling. It's cooling off. All right, so it's just wet in the pan. All right, so we saw the experiment and how that worked.
The grand finale. Oh, nothing.
Cooled off.
Cool off way too much. Look at that. Is it like any more now?
All right.
It's steaming though. Bye. Please like and subscribe.